What's up? Rock and roll!
That went right in my nuts.
Oh!
That was the gayest.
Yeah!
I think that was the gayest trick I've ever done.
Fuck this, I'm over it. Fuck this shit. Get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, it says go skateboarding right up here. Really? I don't see one. It just says go skateboarding right here. It says go skateboarding.
So your sign's gone over here, somebody took it down. Yeah, there was a sign over here that said no skateboarding. Somebody
Really?
obviously took it down. Probably somebody skateboarding.
Yeah, I don't know. This is our first time skating here, so.
We didn't see a sign, so we'll just leave now.
You think you could maybe get one more try at this and then we'll get out of here?
Sure.
All right, thanks, man. Appreciate that.
The moment of truth, huh?
Yep.
moment of truth whether or not you break.
Let's see if we can get out of here. Because I'm still filming. I filmed that whole thing. Come on, Noah. Get this. Get this.
I'll count that shit.
Count it. Fuck it. Hey, yo, high five me. Fuck yeah.
Damn straight. George Strait's illegitimate third cousin twice removed.